Protect your Amazon business like a pro. Why trademarks are your secret weapon. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group, and my goal is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. Okay, so first we're going to go over what a trademark is. So if you've heard of Coca-Cola, that's a trademark. Registered since 1887. Nike, that's a trademark. So if you pretty much try to reuse these names and you say, just like Coca-Cola, right? That's pretty much trademark infringement most of the time, and you can get them kicked off. So another example, if we're looking at a trademark is a recognizable sign, phrase, or symbol that denotes products or services and legally differentiates it from all other kinds. Now we're going to actual examples here, and we're looking at Jenga. We got Jenga right here, and this is a trademark. So if you say, hey, I'm selling Jenga, or I'm selling a game like Jenga, that's trademark infringement pretty much. So you can get kicked off, your product can get kicked off and completely removed for that. So here's an example. Let's just say I sell Jenga and I'm selling Jenga and I made 100,000 sales in the past month. I'm doing great. And I'm like, I don't want any competitors taking my shine, because people can use the word Jenga and start taking some of your sales, and customers are gonna think it's Jenga. And if it's a low quality item, it's going to hurt your brand. So I saw this item and I was looking at it and it looks like Jenga. It looks similar, but it's not Jenga, right? But when I look, I do Control F and I type in Jenga, and it literally says right here in the first bullet point, very small, better than Jenga. So if I was Jenga, I could report them and kick them off of Amazon completely, because now people are going to type in Jenga. Now they're going to start ranking for the keyword Jenga. People might even think it's Jenga, right? So there's a lot of different things that could come from this. So having a trademark is super powerful. I'm going to show you at the end how to actually kick them off. But if you wanted to get your own trademark, what you can do is just Google attorneys in my area, right? They shouldn't be that expensive. It should cost less than $1,000 total. Make sure you ask them for a flat fee. It should not be an hourly fee, right? You can also do it yourself by going to uspto.gov and going to trademarks and apply online. And you can attempt to do a trademark and apply it for yourself. You can also contact us, and we do trademarks. That's what we specialize in as well for our Amazon sellers. And then once you have a trademark, right, now you have tons of benefits to remove the competitors. And you can go to brandregistry.amazon.com and start removing these fake products that are using your trademark. And that's called trademark infringement. So once you go to brandregistry.amazon.com, you sign up, you click enroll a brand, and you're going to enroll your trademark. Once your trademark is enrolled, which takes usually 3 to 7 days, then what you're going to do is you're going to have access to report a violation. Now you can click this. If I was Jenga, I would report them, right? You could also give them a warning and try to contact them, right? And be like, hey, you have Jenga, like, can you like remove it, please? Most of the time that doesn't work, but if you want to be nice, you can. But what you can also do is report them directly to get them removed. So you're going to put in their ASIN, and it usually starts with B as in boy. See where it's at on their listing, their ASIN. You're going to put it into here, click search. And now you can remove their entire listing. So you click this button and you can completely kick them off. And we're going to report them for trademark infringement. And now we can say it's a counterfeit product, or the product or its packaging has my trademark on it, or a product detail page is unlawfully using my trademark. So we can say that the product detail pages, it's their first bullet point right here. I don't think it's in their packaging, right? Now you can put your brand name and you put what trademark you have. And now you're going to click include and report and select where it's at. So it's actually in the bullet points, and you're going to select your product's authentic product is being imitated. This product doesn't exist, so Jenga actually doesn't sell this at all. So, and then you're going to explain, hi, I verified. In the first bullet point, it says, and we're going to see what it says, better than Jenga. I think they got around it because they put like dots on the end, or I don't know. Our trademark is Jenga, and this is trademark infringement, right? Keep it simple. Put your trademark name, contact email, and then submit it. Once you submit it, all you're going to do is go to the monitor page and submission history. Then you're going to see if it's approved, denied, or under review. When you first submit it, it's most likely going to say status under review for about 3 to 7 days. And then it should say it was either approved and they're going to be kicked off, or they're going to be forced to change their bullet points, or it's going to be denied. And when it's denied, you need to check your email and see why it was denied. Did you put like the wrong trademark? Did you fill it out wrong? And that way you can succeed in getting them kicked off. Now, my one pro tip to getting them kicked off properly is going to be making sure that you do a test buy. So Amazon, a lot of the times they want you to buy the products. You click add to cart and you purchase it. You wait for it to be delivered. That way Amazon knows that like you actually triple checked and they are violating your trademark. I know it literally says it in the bullet points, but Amazon just likes you to do test buys. And then once it's successful, you can always return the item for a full refund. But that's my only pro tip. But that's it for today's video. Comment below on how you recently conquered Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with infringement, we specialize in that and have a full team. All you have to do is contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. Right in the description, you can schedule a call with us or reach out to us and we'll get back to you. And our #1 service is where we'll come in, we'll do full A to Z account management for you. We'll remove fakes, monitor your listings, manage your advertising, customer service, inventory, and much, much more to make sure that your sales are increasing and not decreasing on Amazon. Just contact ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.